Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, happy, and healthy at home. So, in the last class, we have done chapter number 9 Birds. Okay, we have completed this lesson, and I hope you have understood this lesson and also read lesson at home. So now we will do the class activity, and then we will proceed to the book exercise. So first one, we are going to do this classroom activity. In the classroom activity, you have to write the names of two. What do you have to do? Write the names of two. Okay. So first one is your perching birds. You have to write the name of two birds that are perching birds. So first one is sparrow. Sorry. And second one is your crow. Okay. Now second is your climbing birds. First one is your woodpecker. And second one is your parrot. Third, wading birds. First one is your heron, Heron, and second is your crane, Crane. Fourth, scratching birds. Scratching bird. So first is your hen and second is your cock. Okay. So this is activity on page number 57. You have to complete this activity in book as well as notebook. So now we are going to do page number 58, that is first A part. Tick the correct answer. In this, I will write only answer. Okay, question and answer. I am not going to write the options. So let's begin. First one, the body of the bird is covered with what? अब body है तो आंसर क्या होगा? Body feathers. Answer is A, body feather. So answer is A. Just mark it in your book and then write down in your notebook. Second question, which of the following has long and pointed beak? Which of the following has a long and pointed beak? So answer is C. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds. Now comes third one, which you have to take care that W should touch the three lines, okay? Which of these birds has talons? So who has talon? Do you remember? Vulture, right? Or hawk. So answer is hawk. H-A-W-K. Okay? So these are your three. Now, fourth one, which of the following has holes on the side of beak? किसके बीक के साइड पे होल होते हैं? सो आंसर इज ए duck. Okay, now last, which of the following has webbed feet? Answer goose. G, you should write capital because I am writing answer now. Goose. Goose. So this, your tick, the correct answer is complete. Now we are going to do fill in the blanks. B part, fill in the blanks. In this they have given you help box. I am not writing here help box. I am just writing the full sentence and the answer. Okay. So dash are the most beautiful feature of a bird? So answer is feathers. F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S. You can take C from the help box. Okay. Next, dash are strong but light in weight. Light in, जो strong है पर weight में बहुत हल्के हैं. What is that? Is body, B-O-D-Y, body, feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, body feathers. Okay, next, dash feathers are long and flat. कौन से feathers हैं जो लंबे होते हैं और flat होते हैं? That is flight. FLIGHT, flight. Next, dash makes hole in hard tree trunks to pull out insects to eat. Okay, so answer for this is woodpecker. WOODPECKER, woodpecker. Last, sparrow and parrot are dash birds. So answer is perching birds. Okay, now we are going to do C part. Write true or false. I am writing here short, but what they have given in book, that only you will write down in your notebook. So first, feet helps the birds to fly. क्या फीड्स हेल्प करते हैं बर्ड्स को फ्लाई करने के लिए? आंसर इज फॉल्स. क्या हेल्प करते हैं? विंग्स. ओके, सो व्हाट इज आंसर? विंग्स हेल्प द बर्ड टू फ्लाई. सेकेंड, birds have different types of feathers. क्या birds की different तरह की feathers होती हैं? Yes, we have read 3 types of feather. So answer is true. Third, sparrows have strong, short and hard beaks. The answer is true. Fourth, cock and hen are climbing birds. क्या जो कॉक और hen है वो क्लाइंबिंग बर्ड्स हैं? आंसर इज फॉल्स. कौन सी बर्ड्स हैं वो? स्क्रैचिंग बर्ड्स. कौन सी बर्ड्स हैं बेटा? scratching birds. Okay, so this answer is false. Now come fifth one. Flamingo has long neck, long legs, not neck, long legs with spread out toes. एक मिनट. Spread out toes. That is true. So this one work you do in EVS notebook and send me the pic. That's all for the day. Thank you. Please complete your work and send the homework in assignment so that I can check. Thank you, and that's all for the day.